Okay, so this fragrance is Almond from Nature's Garden. Now, with the new IFRA standards, this fragrance dropped to a 1.8 usage rate, and I was like, that's not a whole lot. So I did this small batch to see how it would do, because everyone said the scent was really strong, and at 1.8% in this batch, it's really strong, so I'm not worried about that. I tried to do a white, yellow, and orange swirl, and everything kind of muddied a little bit together. The batter just was really fluid, but I don't mind it. It's gives you the feel of candy corn, so I'm okay with it. And I love the embeds and the little sprinkles on top. How cute are those? So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make another batch. I said I only made 16 bars. I don't know how popular almond will be. And candy corns on top of that. I just don't know if people will want the candy corns, but I like it. I could have coated the candy corns so they stood out a bit more, but it's still cute. I will take it. You can see this candy corn shifted. It did start off over here, but that's okay. The first soap of the fall line. So not ready to start making these, but if I want them ready by September, I must. So yeah, there you have it. Candy corn, scented and almond.